Welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily change your password on Expert Option account. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or laptops and type in expertoption.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Expert Option. Go to the Trade Now button at the top right corner and then also make sure that you're logged into your expertoption.com account. After you're inside the home page of Expert Option, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and this will open up the profile section. From the profile section, go to the bottom right corner and click on Security. Once you open up this Security tab, go to Password. Now, enter your old or the current password in the first field. Now head over to the new password field and write down a new password you want to change to for your account. Finally, go to the next field and enter the password once again. Make sure you type in your new password in the last field and finally click Confirm. Now, you have successfully changed your password on Expert Options. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.